Here are your 9 things to know this morning. Jackson County, Missouri has started mailing out its 2025 property assessments. Those notices follow an order from the Missouri State Tax Commission, which can mean your property can't be assessed any more than 15% higher than what it was worth in 2022. The new move comes amid the property tax turmoil brought on by sky-high assessments in 2023.
Well, the Independence, Missouri police chief is on leave this morning. The city confirms that Chief Adam Dustman has been on what's called requested leave since May 23rd. KMBC 9 Investigates has confirmed through 2 different sources that there is an internal investigation into Chief Dustman's conduct during Police Week in Washington, D.C. last month. Deputy Chief Jason Peterson is in charge for now. The city says that it's part of the internal process to have a standardized plan of succession, and that it has not publicized the chief's leave because that is routine practice.
Jackson County legislator Manny Abarca is out of jail posting bail after pleading not guilty to domestic battery in Johnson County Court. Prosecutors claim there was some sort of domestic violence issue between Abarca and his wife last Thursday. The next day, last Friday, Jackson County served him with a protection order. A judge there filed charges accusing him of violating that order. Over the weekend, Abarca's wife filed a missing persons report claiming she hadn't seen their son in days. Abarca says the report was filed in error.
Well, the man charged in a shooting outside of a North Kansas City hospital last year will be sentenced today. Michael Smallwood pled guilty to assault and unlawful use of a weapon. Prosecutors say that the shooting started with an argument at a basketball game. This was in March of 2024. Court documents say that 5 people pulled out guns. 2 people were shot. They both survived. Right now, prosecutors are seeking a 19-year sentence.
A heads up for drivers, crews will close westbound 670 starting at 7 tonight for pavement work. The closure runs from Troost to 18th Street in KCK. Ramps along the route will also be closed. It's all set to reopen at 6 Monday morning, and drivers will be detoured on I-70.
Preparations are on for Kansas City's Pride Fest. It celebrates 50 years of Pride. It runs today through Sunday with a parade Saturday through Westport and ending in Tice Park.
Elon and I had a great relationship. I don't know if we're well anymore.
We're watching an online feud play out between President Trump and the former head of the Department of Government Efficiency, billionaire Elon Musk. They've been trading barbs and accusations after Musk spoke out against the president's spending bill, calling it wasteful. It evolved and escalated. Then Musk claimed the president is in the files of convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, who died in jail. The president has denied any involvement with Epstein.
Swing and a miss, strike 3. Central Missouri wins it 14-10.
The Central Missouri Mules are playing for the Division II championship this weekend. They advanced by beating Lenoir-Rhyne Thursday, so they'll face the winner of Tampa and Northwest Nazarene in a best-of-3 series. Game 1 is set for 5 o'clock tonight, that is, from North Carolina. Good luck, Mules.
Closer to home, there are plenty of events on this first weekend of June, from Old Shawnee Days to Lee Summit Downtown Days, and as we said, First Fridays celebrations.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
So check with your city or town to see what's happening near you. All of it, of course, weather dependent.